Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at boat. What the heck is boat, you say? Well, it's an ETF and it has a bit of price fluctuations. All right. So a couple of things that I really like about it is it pays a great dividend. I can't see it here, but in my stock analysis in the private stock group, you can see that. It's about 11%, which is pretty darn good. But the thing that surprised me a bit was the options. Now, if we go out about a month-ish, or a little less actually, a few weeks, you get $1.40, which is amazing in this market right now for this stock, this ETF actually. So usually ETFs and mutual funds and the like, the options on those don't have a lot of premium. Now, look, if you go down to the $26, not great, but we've had a pretty substantial drop in options in the price today. So today, the options look really good at 27, and it's got pretty good support. So I'm going to do one option today. Whoa, whoa, if I can get that, that'd be awesome. Oh, man. That's not going to happen because it's going to probably be a midpoint in here somewhere, but it's probably going to be closer to 140. But I'm just going to do this for the heck of it. I'm just going to try. Because if I can get that, man, that'd be great. So I'm going to say, sell that puppy. See if I can make 600 bucks. All right, well, the action was not really good here in this stock. It seems to be not a very liquid stock or option pool. So I'm looking at this stock, and I think it's got a pretty good floor here at 24. If we go back a little further, I mean, you can see it was only started in 06, so 25. Then we had a bunch of action on it, and now it's back down. But I mean, it's got 11% yield. So I've got to believe this is a pretty good thing to have. I've been accumulating this in another account. If you guys are part of my private stock group, you know I have a Charles Schwab account that I do a lot of dividend investing in, and I've been building a little bit of the stock over there in that portfolio to just build my dividend income. But I don't have a lot of money in there, so I want to accumulate this one a little faster, and I want to put a little bit of money into it. So I'm going to say trade. I'm going to buy 100 shares, and I'm going to say, give myself a little headroom here, and say buy. Okay, my buying power is not super awesome, but okay. Executed. All right, guys, you can see here my boat position. Price target. I don't really have a really good one, but I think it's going to stay probably around $25. Be my guess. Yeah, 25 to 30 if we looked at the chart analysis. But anyway, you saw my options trade. I never got the options trade to execute, so that's too bad. I'll try to do that maybe again in the future. It's got the rest of the day to execute. I'm leaving it open. But I'm just going to see what happens. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe and join the channel at the appropriate level. You want to see options trades, join at the options level. You want to see regular dividend investing trades, join at the dividend investing level. You know, if you want everything, join at the highest level possible. And you get to talk to me. All right, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.